to do this. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But, my friend Darin, I don't know how to pronounce my own OC's name, is gonna dress up as a cat, and I don't give a heck. If you don't want him to be a cat, he's being a cat, and I don't care. He's being a cat. He's gonna be a wholesome cat, and you can't do a heck about it because you're not in my gacha, and you don't have control of me because the only person who has control of me is my father. It's gonna be beautiful. Just like me. And I don't know what color his hair is. Excuse me a second. We are making the most beautiful cat in the world. It's the darin cat. It's beautiful. Only one cat in the world that is this beautiful. Look how beautiful he is. He is a perfect boy. He is the best boy, Cat Darin. Okay, we're almost done. Stick with me. Stay around. I'm not going crazy. There we are. Cat boy Darin. He's beautiful. Look at his face. Look at his face of shock because he's so beautiful. I have to have whiskers. Yes. 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 This is what happens when you're dressing up as Dora for Halloween. You go insane. You mentally go insane. But it's all worth it for Cat Darin. Everything's worth it for Cat Darin. Now all the checks will come to him. And he will no longer be emo depressed. Beautiful. He is gorgeous. He is an icon. He is Darin the cat. The icon. He's a legend. Don't mind my grandma doing Duolingo. If you can hear it. Oh my god. Cat boy Darin, I don't care. This is the best thing that has ever existed. This will be in millions of magazines. This will be our new god that we will worship. Let me just fix his ears up. To make him extra kawaii. Catboy Darin is a go. Give him his big ol' ears. Big ears are the best ears. Now we'll make him have floppy ears. If I remember how to do this. Okay. I don't care about the screen recorder thing. I couldn't care less. I don't know how his ears are moving, or nor tail, but we don't care about that. It's beautiful cowboy. CapCut we go. Come on, CapCut. Come on. No, I wasn't working on something. Let's go. We can see my process of the last video. Don't look at my other stuff. Don't look at my other stuff. I'm definitely not doing anything. Not doing anything ever. Anyone. Magically turns into big bushy tail. Transforms back. God, let me make it longer. Oh my god, my pen fell. This is like the best video I've ever made in the world. Beautiful Catboy Darin is the go. There he is. He's a beauty. He's an icon. He's Catboy Darin. Stabilizer. Stabilizer never works. It's really pissing me off. Oh no, is allergies. Well then, you're gonna see Catboy Darin anytime soon. After I boot up this video, probably gonna see him before. Oh my god, no, that's not good. Can I copy that? Can I reverse it to make it? Why is it? Why I don't want the stabilizer? Stabilizer makes it poo poo. Get rid of all this. Don't mind like the color change. There's nothing about it. No, nothing. Beautiful. Catboy Darin. Beautiful. Applaud everyone. I've done it. I've done the unthinkable. I've made Darin a Catboy. Where's my effects? Where are my effects? Okay, and exposure just to make it feel better. Beautiful. Where is my watermark? Rawr. You guys are baddies. Some of that was my sister's. Because my sister is also a baddie and she loves using my tablet without my permission. Yeah. Baddies. We're all baddies in aquatics place. There we go. Catboy Darin equipped. Happy Halloween, everyone. I am working on a Halloween video. So, happy Halloween. Yay, Halloween.